Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to learn how to sign in our code.org. We are experiencing now the school closure, so we are going to have our online learning through this program, the code.org. So this morning I will going to teach you, especially this is intended for the K3, how to sign in code.org. To start with, we will start with our Google Chrome. So click Google Chrome. So when it opens, okay, you can write here at the top, okay, the browser, our browser, we can type code.org, and then you press enter in your keyboard. So in this format now, this is a code.org template. So the code.org is for us to learn computer science. So for this program, all you need to do is to drag and drop, okay, the instruction. No need of scripting the instruction. So first, step number 1, go to sign in. Okay. When you click sign in, on this part, this is an option to sign in the account, but in our class I already give you your password and your account, so no need of writing here. But for the new student that who wants to learn also coding, you can use your email and your password and you can sign in. Okay, but for us, if we have already our class code, all you need to do here is for you to write our class code. Usually the class code is composed of 6 letters. Capital letters can be seen in our login card, sign up card, at the upper right of your paper. So all you need to do is to click and write the code. This time I will be going to use the K3D class. So the code is write NLNBVH. So this is the code for K3D. So after that, after you write, step number 2 is to click go, and it will go to our class 3D. This time I add my name here. Okay, so my name is Debbie. Click here. After you click, it will show your password. So look for your card and look for your password. That is a secret picture code. So my password is a blue wizard. So I will click this one, and the next step number 3, you need to sign in. So the first time you sign in, the code.org will ask your age. But this time, if you already sign in before, all you need to do is to move to the next lesson. So to start with, we will start with lesson number 1. If you're not done with lesson number 1, for those who are new in our coding, so all you need to do is to click the lesson 1, unplug activity. This is a video for you to learn and have an idea what you gonna do in our coding. So click and you watch the video. So this video is about 3 minutes. So all you need to do is to watch the video. Then after you watch the video, okay, after you watch the video, you click. Okay, you click. You need to watch the video because it says something about what we are going to do in the computer properly. So after you click the video, we will not look at the video anymore. So we will click go on to lesson number 2. So it says here, you complete lesson number 1. That is a video. So continue, go on to lesson number 2. So click lesson number 2. And if you can see here at the top, okay, so you have lesson number 2, learn to drag and drop. Meaning to say, we need to click, we need to drag, and we need to drop the script or the instruction. So let's start. Click the apple. And then complete puzzle number 1. Let's go to puzzle number 2. So puzzle number 2, look like this. You need, just click, drag the block to the target. So this is the target. Click OK. And then drag the smiley to the target. And that's it. Then click continue. Let's move on. Are you with me? Okay, click. And then after you click that one, this one, arrange the block to form the image. So click. This is a snail. That's it. And then we complete puzzle number 3. Let's move on. Puzzle number 4. So arrange the block to form the image. So this is an elephant. So click and drag it here. Okay, and you complete and then continue to number 5. Okay, this is now the fish. So if you can see, arrange the block to form the image. We have now 3 blocks. So first one, the top, then middle part, and the lower part. And it's done. And then click. After that, next, the same process. This is a dog. So the head, the body, and the lower part of the dog. And it's all complete. All you need to do is to drag and drop. Okay? Next, this time, picture of a tree. So this is a tree and you need to arrange. You just follow the picture. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Continue. Are you with me? Okay. So maybe your mom and dad can help you how to do it. Okay? But you need to use your mouse and let your daddy and mommy help you. So here, flower, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Continue. Okay. That's it. Then this one, if you can see now, the house is not arranged properly. So if you drag this one at the top, it will go all over. Okay? All the picture will go. Okay? So all you need to do is to start with the lower part. Lower part, move here at the top. And then this time, you can move like that. Or you can move one by one. Okay? But this time, we will move all together the 2 pictures. Okay, and then we completed the puzzle number 9 and we will start puzzle number 10. So number 10, remember this is all lesson 2. Okay, drag and drop. So if you can see, our computer is not arranged properly. If you drag the first at the top, the 2 pictures will go with. Okay, so all you need to do is to start with the bottom. Okay, the bottom here, put it to the center. Next, the lower part, then the upper part. And that's it. Continue. And then this time, number 11, you can see we have now blocks here. Not here, but here. So this is our additional blocks. So this is our workplace, the workspace. So put these blocks in order by number. So you know how to count 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So all you need to do is to put here 1, 2, and the other block, additional block here, 3. Understand? And go to puzzle number 12. Puzzle number 12, all the blocks, it's outside. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So all you need to do is to drag 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And then click continue. And you're all done with lesson number 2. Okay? So hope you learned something today in our lesson 1 and 2. And next time, I will post a video how to do lesson number 3 and lesson number 4. So please don't forget, parents, to subscribe my channel, David June 101, and please click the bell beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified for the next video. You understand? Okay, thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.